Why most businesses suck in marketing. If I were to ask 50 business owners why you should always be marketing, their answers would invariably be the same. To get more customers, to make more money, to build up my brand. These are all great reasons to advertise, but they're not the number one reason. The number one reason to advertise is to keep your competition from eating your market share. When was the last time you updated your website or social media? Traditional print media or advertising is not dead yet and has its place, that's true. But the conceived notion that social media is not that important in our industry is simply not true. When was the last time you searched online for your own company? What about your competition? Marketing is not just a handful of ideas that come to mind when people think of advertising. It's the entire process a service or a product is introduced and promoted to any potential customer. It is your brand, your face, your legacy. It is your past, and it's your future. Do you know how to target and retarget potential customers with specific demographics or engage those prospects who have visited your social media? That's marketing. Is there even anything on your social media for a potential customer to do if they happen to stumble on it? Do you know how to plan and execute an ad campaign? Webinars, pay-per-click, SEO, mining, landing pages, branding, blogs, canvassing, billboards, radio, shirts, hats, swag, that's all marketing. Marketing is the heart of every successful business. And what is the aim of marketing? To reduce the need of selling. Consumers don't buy products. They buy product benefits. And more importantly, they buy the stories you tell. What's going to make them to want to hear that story from you? Because they recognize you and find some sense of familiarity with you. This is where social media presence comes in. The amount of content you put on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram is crucial. You want to stay in the customer's radar and then engage them as well. You have to be active. You have to have promotions, sales, coupons, discounts, prizes, winners. Your customers have to get tired of winning, and you have to have a great website. It's not an option. A study from Colorado University shows that baby boomers spend 27 hours per week online, which is 2 hours more per week than those who are between 16 and 34 years old. You're missing out. So ask yourself, do customers recognize my brand? Is my marketing simple? Is it memorable? Is it inviting to look at? And now the kicker, what about the cost? Do you know your average lead cost? Do you know your average lead cost per marketing avenue? Do you know your return on investment with the dollar amount spent in marketing? You have to. Many contractors stop marketing to save money in bad times. That's like stopping your watch to save time. And many contractors don't even bother in good times. But you cannot sustain your business without advertising and marketing. If you pause a marketing campaign, it should be because you're getting too much business and you have to slow things down. Visit our marketing section on ozeruniversity.com to learn more on how to market effectively in your industry.